Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how I went from paper napkin sketch to site in minutes using Lovable. Let's get into it. Alright, we're on lovable.dev and I'm going to just paste this prompt over here, which says create this break-even analysis chart tool exactly as shown in the attached image, and please use the brand colors from the Mercury Bank screenshot. I'm attaching these right now, and the idea here is that I'm providing a minimal prompt and some guidance stylistically to just create this tool in one shot. Okay, nothing else. We should not be providing any other guidance. And here's the image, and we're gonna just press enter. Okay, and the result is out. We have a break-even analysis chart that you can see has followed to the T my design. It says up top when I break even, and over here you can hover over and you can see the net income over time. The assumptions here are as follows on the left. Let's see, if I was to have, let's say, 10 initial monthly sales, you see that it dynamically updates. Take a while. It takes actually 38 months for me to break even. This is seeming quite accurate, and also at the bottom it has a section where I can introduce some hyperlinks. I have some blogs that I write about reducing costs, and also some tools that can help you increase your sales by getting more leads and also making your website a bit more SEO friendly. And these automations are in the description. And I'd say that this was quite a success. I did this only using one prompt. You can see up here, it's what we had in the beginning. I had no other modifications, and what we did is called one-shot prompting. So I definitely recommend you are using sketches, really clear guidance, and make it succinct, and you can get results such as these in minutes. Thank you for watching.